Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 25. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the number on the tin is NE189451-443. That's NE189451-443. Here we go. Start with the base card for the Kings of Drew Doughty. 105 out of 249. Then we have our patch auto rookie for Matt Fratton for the Leafs. 195 out of 249. We have a redemption card. It's a Cup Gold Auto Rookie Patch. Card number 161 of Carl Hagelin. His number to his jersey number, Carl Hagelin. Nice hit for the Rangers. We have a Stanley Cup Signatures card for the Oilers of Mark Messier. 18 out of 50. Mark Messier. We have a short print gold base card of PK Subban for the Canadiens, 24 out of 25. And then we have our Cup Foundations quad patch card, or 8 of 10 of Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks to finish it off. Nice hit for the Blackhawks of Patrick Kane. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.